Hi, we're at the farm and we're going to put up some bluebird houses. So that's my fiance, and it's a good day to work on the farm, so we'll show you how to do it.
Yeah.
Alright, so go ahead.
Okay, so this is a 16-pound digging bar that we use to plant daffodil bulbs, but it's also great just to drill these holes here. So we have 3/4 inch galvanized pipe that we're going to hang the birdhouses off of, and all you do is just take this digging bar and just, kind of go down in there and kind of spin it around. The soil's kind of wet right now, so it makes it pretty easy to do. So you keep going down in there and kind of stir it a little bit and open up that hole. A lot of clay soil. So when it heats up, when it gets warm during the summer, that soil will harden and it'll hold it fast in place.
So we got the bird houses, I guess it was last summer, in Amish country. So they are officially Amish made cedar bird houses.
That's true.
And we have 3 up already.
3?
So you put them up in March and April because that's when the bluebirds come back. So that's why we're doing it right now. So when we got them in the summer, we couldn't put them up till now. So
we went to Hartville Hardware and got a 10-foot length of galvanized pipe, and they cut into 8-foot and 2-foot length. So this is an 8-foot length because you want them to be about 6 feet off the ground, and so 2 feet of this will go into the hole I just made. So basically, you just kind of stick it in the hole, and then I'm about 6'5", so this is 6 foot, close to my height. Kind of jam it down in there, so that's good. And then, do you have the little ones?
yeah, they're in the wheelbarrow.
So we use the extra length just to brace this one, so see if it's favoring one way or the other. Kind of drop it down in the hole, and we're going to tie that off. But that'll just go down in the hole like so, and then we're just going to tie it off, and it'll add a little support. And then the soil's just, there's a lot of clay in it out here, so I just kind of tamp it down with my foot. And again, once it heats up out here, that's going to be kind of just rock hard.
Yeah, almost like concrete.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so then it's gonna get the bluebird house, and
saw the nice folks at Hirschberger's.
yeah, Hirschberger's in, I believe it's Holmes County.
I think it's Holmes County.
Yeah, but it's like a amazing farm where you can pet goats and piggies and all kinds of stuff. It's my favorite place.
The goats go on the roof.
Yeah, the goats go on the roof and you can feed them.
You get fry pies.
Mm-hmm. So cheese.
Standard cedar, but they're like $9.
Yeah.
I mean, they're not that expensive, and they're well made. They're cedar, so they'll last a long time outside.
Yep.
And so you just have.
Here the.
Oh, you got screws.
Yeah.
So just some basic self-tapping screws. Again, got them at Hartville Hardware.
So this will be the tricky part of how do I hold the phone and help him hold up the birdhouse, but we will give it our best shot.
And all you do
Once he gets one of the things in, then I don't have to hold it anymore.
So you just use this 3/4 inch strapping. It might be backwards on the camera, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
But the screws go around that, and they kind of hooks on this goes around the pole, and the screws go through the little holes. And
yeah.
it's actually pretty inexpensive to do. Each birdhouse is probably what? I mean, birdhouse and the poles, and it's probably $30.
Yeah.
It's nothing crazy.
Yeah, last year we had 4 babies, bluebird babies, and then we had two wrens moved into one of the houses, and then we also had tree swallows moved into one of the houses. We also had house sparrows, which is kind of, some people think of them as a nuisance. It's kind of the jury's out, but they do kind of make a mess. So we take the house sparrows' nest out. Sometimes. If they've already had eggs, we just leave them. So.
Yeah, if they've had eggs, we're not going to bother them. But
Yeah.
so these little straps just click around this pole. And there's, what you do is that they might slide up and down, so you can just grab them and just pinch them, push them a little tight together, and they'll grip a little bit easier.
Yeah.
See?
He's also super strong, so that's why he's able to do
Not
that.
super strong. I'm strong enough to do that. And then this is kind of where it becomes a two-person job, but you just hold this up like so.
Okay.
So she'll hold it up.
I'll try to.
Yeah, so just hold it up.
Here, let me.
Drop
Can
egg.
you hold it and I'll hold the
Bottom.
Yeah, right back here.
Nice.
That
Okay.
seems to be better.
All right. So I gotta let it go first. I gotta get the drill.
This is like a a weird like my
weird
arms
angle.
are both extended. It's not
Yes.
super comfortable, but
No. So,
oh
I drop
dear.
the screws every time. Every time I drop a screw. Okay, we need to get it a little straighter.
Okay.
Straight it. There we go.
Doing the best I can
Do
here.
the best you can. And then I'll go in there like so.
Excellent.
And I gotta find the screw that I dropped. Oh no.
Well, get another one. We'll find it after we do the video. It's down here somewhere.
So once you get the first one on, it'll pretty much just stay up by itself. So kind of gotta put it through the hole there. And there we go. So it'll
Perfect.
just stay up. You can let
All
go.
right, now I can let go.
So
Whew.
it'll just kind of stay up. Now we're gonna brace it down here too,
Yeah.
just because like it's really not gonna go anywhere
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
But you don't want to risk anything with the weight of the birds and everything in there.
Yeah.
Kind of a crooked angle looking at me there. It's all
I'm sorry.
sideways and whatnot.
Sorry.
So I just gotta find the screw and then put the other strap on, and then
We're all done.
we're all done. Happy bluebirds.
Happy Bluebirds. Bye.
Bye.